Hi everyone, I'm Rose with LifeForce Yoga and welcome to Where's the Love? So let's find some love. Let's start by bringing the hands to rest on the heart and allowing the eyes to soften. With your hands resting on the heart, feel the weight, the physical weight of the hands on the heart. Notice if your hands feel heavy or if they feel light. Maybe they feel warm, maybe they feel cool. Breathing with hands on the heart. And as you breathe with your hands on the heart, begin now to recall a time when you felt loved. A moment in your life when you felt seen, heard, and loved. Recall that moment, bring up that moment. And it's that moment in time, only that moment in time. Not what led up to it, not what happened afterwards, not any other interactions you've had with that individual. Just that one slice in time of when you felt loved. And now start to take deep breaths into that one slice, that one moment of time. As though you're there right now. Breathing and feeling the love, feeling yourself as seen and heard. Feel it as we take 3 more deep breaths here. Now, as you finish your 3rd breath, you can remain in that moment if you'd like. But notice again the hands and how the hands feel resting on your heart. The warmth or coolness of your hands. My hands got super, super hot. As you're ready, you might allow the eyes to open. And all we've done here in connecting to a moment of love from our past is invite and release oxytocin in our systems. Oxytocin is the hugging hormone, the hormone that our brains release when we're bonding. Oxytocin is so important. It helps us feel good. And notice, do you feel a little better right now? Do you feel good? Maybe you feel more loved. It's just this simple. And again, I'd like to invite you to come back and watch this and just do this practice again later today. To start developing a practice of just touch the heart. I love in moments when I feel seen, heard, connected, loved. I like to just put my hands on my heart and I always do a little press, like I'm pressing that moment into my heart so that the next time I place my hands on my heart, the next time I need it, I can just call up that moment of feeling seen, heard, connected, and loved. I can get that oxytocin going and calm down. You can feel more at ease and more at peace. Thank you.